Hey rockers, in this video we're going to show you exactly what to do in Ensenada Cruise Port in 4 hours. Why 4 hours? Because sometimes you don't have a lot of time at port. This is one of the busiest cruise ports in Mexico. Over 1 million people visit it a year. But today we're going to show you exactly what to do, what to see, what to eat in 4 hours. And also we're going to show you how to do it on a budget, because we're going to track all of our expenses right up here. Let's explore Ensenada. Let's rock.
So one thing I love about the Ensenada port is it's a quick 15-minute walk to get into everything. Looks like today and possibly every port day they have a swap meet style shopping area where you can pick up trinkets and little gifts for your loved ones. Also though, I did see a guy with a freaking handful of churros. Everyone in your family can have some. What a great thing to start the day off with.
Now usually in this main area there's a huge Mexico flag that you can see when you're coming down the cruise ships. It's humongous. It's 165 feet wide and 187 feet tall. Today it's not up there, but you're gonna love it when you're in Ensenada. Now it's said that the fish taco was invented in Ensenada. And our favorite place to come when we're in Ensenada is Tacos Lucero. And the reason is they have a breaded fish taco where you have all these fixings that you can put on, a spicy sauce. They serve fresh chips. And this fish taco is 30 pesos. That's about $1.65 if you can believe it. So you can come here and load up for lunch. We've already had a couple. We might have 10, who knows. But don't miss Tacos Lucero. You're gonna thank us. Hey guys, real quick, this video is brought to you by Into the AM. So if you're looking for the perfect gift for any of the men in your family, you just found it, because every guy loves a soft, perfectly fitted graphic tee just like this one. Now these aren't like the shirts that your grandma gets you that are super boxy. They're fitted perfectly through the arms, the chest. They leave a little extra room in the middle for guys like me that need it. It's the perfect gear to wear when you're cruising. If you've been watching our channel for the last couple years, I've already been wearing it, but now we're partnered up. Now's your chance to try it. Just go to the link in the description, you get 10% off, and they even have a t-shirt club where they'll send you a shirt every single month. It's like 18 bucks. You can freshen up your wardrobe and you can get 10% off today. Just click the link in the description, check them out, you won't regret it. Now we made our way over to the historic district here in Ensenada. Now this is where all the action happens. If you want to come have a party when you get off the cruise ship, this is where you come. Papas and beer is here. If you've never been there before, it is a party. They will flip you upside down. They will feed you shots. You won't be able to walk when you get out of that place. But if you want something a little more relaxed, you're gonna go to Hussong's, which is right around the corner. Hussong's is more of a laid back vibe. They have some mariachis in there that you can request a song. Order beer, margaritas, whatever you want, but it's just more of a laid-back vibe. We love Hussong's, but if you want to try an amazing taco when you're down in this area, you want to go over to Guadalajara. Now, Guadalajara specializes in birria tacos. Now, you can get lamb, you can get goat, you can get pork, you can get beef. They give you all the fixins, and then they also have our favorite drink, a michelada. They specialize in those as well. So when you're down this district, if you want a party vibe, you go to Papa's. If you want a laid back vibe, go to Hussong's. And then if you want some delicious birria tacos, head on over to Guadalajara. Another place we really love in Ensenada is the Riviera Hotel. And there's a reason for that. This place opened up in 1930 on Halloween. And originally it was a casino that attracted a bunch of different movie stars like Rita Hayworth, Clark Gable, and Bing Crosby. And they would come here and gamble for the weekend, go out and lay by the beach. It's unfortunately not a casino anymore, but what it's known for is that this is where the modern margarita was invented. There should be one coming from me pretty soon.
Oh, look at that.
Oh,
your wish is my command, baby.
That's like a bathtub.
Cheers.
Oh yes.
Wow.
Tart, smooth, and strong on the rocks, just like the original.
Yes, you gotta come here for this mix. Nothing like you've ever tasted.
Yeah, and you can tell your friends you came to the place where the margarita was invented. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, look at this, right outside the bar. We didn't have a flag flying at port today, unfortunately, but I found you the mini version. Check this out. That one's probably 15 feet high, not the 187 feet, but
Viva la Mexico!
Viva!
Yeah.
Another place you definitely don't want to miss in Ensenada is Julia's Empanadas. Now, we were introduced to this place by our friends Freddie and Veronica. We would have never found it, but thank God we did, because the empanadas start at only 35 pesos. Depending on which size you get, they go up to 70 pesos, but they are packed with meat, cheese, chilies, whatever you want. Now, here's a hack. If you want to get some beers because they don't serve it, go to the OXXO right next door and grab some beers. They allow you to do it and eat it on the patio. It makes for a tasty experience. Now that is a great way to spend 4 hours in Ensenada. You get to see some great sights, have some tasty food and drinks, and it's quite affordable. This was the total for the day for 2 of us. Not bad at all. Don't forget, you can try Into the AM clothing. The link is in the description. You get 10% off, and it helps support our channel. We appreciate it. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. We appreciate you all. We'll see you on the next one. Remember to keep rocking the